The pie chart shows the flavours of ice cream sold by a shop in one day. There are a total of 270 ice creams sold. Part A, calculate the number of vanilla flavoured ice creams sold. So if I highlight vanilla, that's here, that's 60 degrees. Now remember, in a circle there's 360 degrees. So that's 60 out of 360 degrees. Now this fraction can be simplified, so that's the first thing I'm going to do first. If I had a calculator, I'd pop it on my calculator and it would simplify it for me. I don't have a calculator, so I need to think, well, what number goes into both 60 and 360? And the answer to that is 60. So I'm going to divide the top by 60 and the bottom by 60. And 60 divided by 60 is 1. And 360 divided by 60 is 6. So a sixth of all the ice creams are vanilla. Okay, so I want a sixth of all of the ice creams, which was 270. Remember, in the question it says there was 270 ice creams in total. Now remember, in maths, if it was calculator, I could just be doing a sixth times 270. It's non-calculator, so I'm going to get my bar model. So here's my bar, and we're going to split it into 6. So this whole bar is 270, and I want 1/6. So I need to do 270 divided by 6. So I'm going to do that using a bus stop. How many 6's go into 270? 6's into 2 is 0, remainder 2. 6's into 27. Let's just do my 6's down the side. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'm just going to stop there for now. So 6's into 27 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 3 left over. And then 6's into 30 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer in each of these boxes is going to be 45. And I just want one of those sixths. So 45 is how many ice creams were vanilla. Calculate the number of mint flavoured ice creams sold is part B. So mint is this one here, and it's 36. So let's make some room on my board. So this time, mint is 36 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. Again, I need to simplify this. So I'm going to divide by the biggest number that goes into both, which is going to be 36 this time. 36 divided by 36 is 1. 360 divided by 36 is 10. So mint is actually a tenth of the whole number of ice creams, which was 270. So again, I've got my bar. This time we're splitting it into 10. There we go. So all of this bar represents 270. I want to know what 1/10 is, which is just one of these boxes here. So I need to divide 270 by 10, which is 27. So there are 27 mint ice creams sold. And then the last question asks about strawberry, which is 72 degrees. Again, let's make some room on my board. So this time, strawberry is 72 degrees out of the 360 degrees. I need to simplify it again. Now, you might not be able to think of the biggest number that goes into it straight away, but I definitely know that 2 goes into it straight away. So let's divide by 2. And I get 36. And 360 divided by 2 is 180. I can divide by 2 again if I want, or I can think of another number that goes into it, and I know that 6 goes into both of those. If I divide by 6, 36 divided by 6 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is, 180 divided by 6 is 30. Let's just copy that down here so I can carry on. And then what number goes into both 6 and 30? Well, that's 6, so I can divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So we've got down to a fifth. So you may have got there far quicker than that, or you can just keep going until you can't simplify anymore. But we now know that there's a fifth of the total 270 are strawberry ice creams. Again, go back to my bar. This time we're splitting it into fifths. I know that the whole bar represents 270. I want just a fifth, so I need to be dividing by 5. So how many 5s go into 270? 5s into 2 is 0, remainder 2. 5s into 27 is 5, remainder 2. 5s into 20 is 4. So there's 54 in each. I only want one of those fifths. So my answer for the final question is that there are 54 strawberry ice creams sold.